Meet Barry, a lively, curious young character who loves adventures. One sunny day, Barry stumbles upon an old story about a legendary place called the Fruit Factory. Intrigued by the tale, Barry sets out to uncover the factory's wonders. As Barry travels, it encounters various fruit-themed challenges relating to the essential nutrients found in fruits. Each quest teaches children about the various vitamins and benefits that fruits provide. On Barry's journey, it uncovers a broccoli forest packed with vitamin C, climbs a banana mountain rich in potassium, and swims across an apple river overflowing with fiber. These exciting adventures symbolize how fruits strengthen children's immune systems, maintain heart health, and stimulate digestion. By the end of the journey, Barry discovers that the key to finding the legendary fruit factory lies within their own vitality and energy, gained from the nutrient-packed fruit. The fruit factory was inside them all along, fueling their journey, growth, and their adventures.